These massage guns have been doing their rounds through the online marketplace for a while now, with lots of big sporting names opting to use them due to the research that has actually gone into their benefits. There are many on the market, but for under £100 you could get one like this. So this is the Bob and Brad massage gun that offers you precision when trying to do deep tissue massages and so much more, and it's all in handheld form. So let's find out exactly what you get in the box. So first of all, it does come with this really nice carry case, which has a nice robust and upmarket feel to it. The overall size is perfect for putting into a rucksack or any general bag to take along with you to any sporting event or even the gym. Inside the case we have everything needed to get you up and running. You do have several different heads to explore with, and I'll talk about these a little later on in the video. We do also get a charger. This is a USB-A to Type-C cable. There is no brick unfortunately, but you can connect it up to anything like a laptop or existing power brick you might have lying around. So let's talk about the actual gun itself, because in terms of build quality, well, it's really impressive. It feels solid and looks very premium. It's not exceedingly heavy, but it does certainly have a little bit of heft to it. But to me, that shows they've used some premium materials here. Despite the average size, the performance of this device is on a whole other level. In here, we have a brushless motor, which delivers a blocking torque energy output without interruption, and with a dual shaft drive structure in here, it offers stable operation throughout its usage. Because of this technology, it is somewhat quiet. There is a little hum that can be heard, but nowhere near as bad as some of the other ones on the market. This does have a 10-minute timer which will automatically switch off the device. This is because physiotherapists Bob and Brad, who developed this exact device, believe that this is the sweet spot to avoid overuse or even worse, damage to your body. So that's certainly a positive to consider. Operation is dead simple with this thing. All the controls used to operate it are on the back. A long press of about 3 seconds will bring the massage gun to life. Now we have about 5 speeds to choose from, with the max 5th speed operating at 3,200 RPM. Now that's pretty impressive. Now each speed is intended for different applications when used with a different head supplied. First of all, I'll start with the ball head. Now this one is perfect for use around large muscle groups, and by this we are talking about your thighs, chest area, back and sides. You could say this is perfect after a chest or back workout. The next attachment is the fork head, and although it looks slightly odd to look at, it is perfect for use around your neck, spine and Achilles tendons. This one certainly gets right in there and digs deep at reducing the muscle pain and lactic acid buildup. The bullet head is great for the joints and deep tissue areas like your hands and feet, whereas you have the flat head, which is very similar. However, this can be used for practically any part of the body. It does really come down to the preference on what you find works for you and your chosen muscle group. Lastly, this head is more to relax the muscle and promote the calming process. The air cushion head is perfect for use after targeting your selected area and increase the blood, lymphatic flow and activate the nervous system and the muscles. So the massage gun isn't just for people who work out a lot or are in the sports profession, but also the average working day-to-day person. And here's why. Life does throw its problems at you daily, and some people suffer from injuries but also from past surgery scar tissues. With this device, it can help break down these scar tissues, thereby alleviating pain and relieving that restriction. Some people also suffer from muscle spasms and stiffness, and this device works wonders at relieving those symptoms. The muscle spasms often lead to ischemia in the muscles, which means the muscles is lacking proper blood flow. Using the massage gun for just 10 minutes a day could promote that blood flow and help ease these concerns for you. All in all, this is a very universal device in terms of it being appealing to a range of audiences, from sports personnel to gym goers, but also to the average working person who suffers from some of those problems I have mentioned today. The device is robust, and thanks to the research gone into it, it offers an adequately quiet sound experience without compensating on speed and power. With all said and done, this is truly a fantastic piece of kit that offers you everything you need in handheld form. So do check it out, let me know what you think, and as always, till next time.